Hello guys, this is gift day because of winter season is December, so every children or family they can accept or take a gift coming from the Holy Angels Church. So this is our content and blog for today. So this is the life in Canada, Saskatchewan. Every year, every winter season, uh, they give a gift, okay, for free. Anything, clothes, toys, uh, sometimes food in this coming Thursday. So it's fun every December season here in Canada, Saskatchewan for free gift child gift and the food. So that's it. This is our content for now. Our blog for today. A toys gift and December and Thursday is food food gift for all the communities in Canada, Saskatchewan. This is the lifestyle every year, every winter season. That's why it's so happy. Okay, so that's all. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel and nice weather update. Clear sky with mixing a little bit cloudy with sunny. Okay, so see you guys. That's all. So this only share to you now in my content and blog to take a gift coming from the family, every community, food drinks and toys and clothes. Okay, so this is life in Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay, so see you guys. That's all.